Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account status and basic verification. Make sure you're signed in and any ID or KYC steps are complete. Open Google Pay and go straight to the Rewards tab. This is where points, cashback, and offers live. Next, review your available balance, expiration dates, and each offer type so you know what to prioritize. Once done, decide whether to redeem now or stack offers. This saves value and prevents losing expiring rewards. Now you execute redemptions and stacking. You pick the redemption method, cashback, gift card, or direct bank transfer, and confirm any thresholds like $5 minimum. Then, when checking out, apply eligible offers and confirm they stack. Some promos combine, others don't, so watch the order of application. Make sure the payment method is linked and defaulted correctly, because failed method mismatches void rewards. Once applied, verify the final charge and reward receipt in the app's transaction history. To finish, check the Rewards tab and Transactions to confirm the redemption posted. Save a screenshot and receipt for backup. Then set calendar reminders for expirations or recurring redemptions so value doesn't slip away, and audit monthly to track totals. If a reward is missing, first allow 24-48 hours, then contact Google Pay support with the transaction ID, screenshots, and account email. If issues persist, dispute through your bank or the.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.